Thank you, Madam Chair. On Kosovo, the European Union needs a unique position, but 5 member states are still opposing recognition. 4 are neighbours of the region, but the 5th, it's Spain. Why? What's the problem of Spain with Kosovo? Colleagues, the problem of Spain is not about Kosovo. It's a sea problem. It's a sea, as in Catalonia. The landmark decision of the International Court of Law on Kosovo ruled that international law does not prohibit unilateral declarations of independence. This applies to Kosovo, but it also applies to Catalonia. Spain's tantrum over Kosovo expresses their fear to set a precedent that threatens their sacred unity. The EU cannot have a unique position on Kosovo because Spain is obsessed that unity is more sacred than democracy and human rights. The unity of Spain is not sacred. It is, with the crown of the corrupt Bourbon family, an imposition from the political will of General Franco, the unique fascist dictator never defeated in Europe. It is time to move on. Spain must recognise Kosovo and let Catalans decide about their future. Thank you very much.